Alright, now we are almost to the last few questions. Question 23-24. Question 23 deals and 24 both deal with cost of quality. As a project 23 now, as a project manager, you're aware that quality has costs associated with it. Cost of quality is select the best answer. Now, for the answer for this is on page 99 of PMBOK 2000 and is part of 8.12 and 0.5. Cost, I'll just read it. Cost of quality refers to the total cost of all efforts to achieve product or service quality. In this in another way, you can think all the investment made to achieve product or service quality, and include all work to ensure conformance to requirements, as well as all work requiring resulting from non-conformance to requirements. So if you look at the answer for that, of course you will is answer 4. Answer 4 in the question reads all of the above. That includes cost in appraising the product or service, in other words, to check whether the product or service conforms to the requirements. Cost of reworks if something goes wrong to fix it up, and then cost incurred by investment in preventing non-conformance. Now we're going through a process of checking and seeing that everything is within the limits, and that is what you call cost of preventing or investment in preventing non-conformance. So the answer to this is all of the above. That is the answer to question 3, and it's on page 99 of the PMBOK. Now question 24 also refers to the same section in PMBOK, cost of quality. I'll read the question first. When your completed product was provided to the customer for approval, you can think of it as an appraisal maybe of the product, he was not satisfied with the product quality. From a quality perspective, the cost of poor quality can also be referred to as, and the answer to this is number 2, which is failure cost. Now let's get back to the PMBOK page 99, cost of quality. Cost of quality has got, and I'll read from the last bit where I left. There are 3 types of costs that are incurred in cost of quality. That means first one is the prevention cost. That's a cost of preventing non-conformance to quality. Appraisal cost is the cost that you had to pay for to check whether things are okay. This is just to check. And the failure cost is the cost of rejecting something by either the customer, which is an external cost, or internally a quality controller rejects that and then thereafter rework. So in this case, the person who rejects the product quality or determines the appraises and finds the product or service is not up to quality, which is the external customer, that cost comes under failure cost. Cost of non-conformance is during the process you invest on processes or methods to check for conformance with that is cost of non-conformance. Rework cost is after failure, after the person rejecting, then you go and do repair work or rework to make it back to come in line with the requirement. That's called rework cost. Failure cost is just the cost of losing an item or the loss of an item due to rejection by either the quality controller within the system, which is the internal failure cost, or if it's the external failure cost when the customer rejects it for accept. Of course 4 is not right because it's none of the above, which is wrong. So the answer to the question 24 is item 2. Okay. Aye, thanks. So that took a while.